Today, we will introduce this 22mm black shell pin metal button switch with a connector. The shell is made of black, plated aluminum alloy, which is corrosion, resistant and scratch resistant, and the logo on it is clearly visible. This button has 6 pins made of red copper, which can carry a large current of 15A to 20A. The connector matching the button, it is plug and play without welding, making wiring faster and not easy to fall off. Among them, the 2 thickest red wires correspond to the contact on 1, the 2 thickest white wires correspond to the contact on 2, and the 2 thinnest red wires in the middle are the lamp wires. The button is self-locking. Press the switch, the button is recessed, the button light is on, and the device is powered on. When the finger is released, the button will not reset. Press the switch again, the button resets, the button light goes off, and the device is powered off. Please refer to the following figure for the button wiring method. This button is waterproof to IP65. The voltage range is between 5V and 28V, and other voltages can be customized.